video on how to install a dual GPS system on a D5K or a D6K cat dozer. You'll find the following items in your kit.
This is your steel mast. This is your coil cables. This is your GPS receivers or MS992s. This is your radio or the SNR 921 and the radio mount. This is your display or the CB460. This is the case that stores all of your components, including the GPS receivers, display, and the radio.
To start with, you're going to put your steel mast on the blade. This system gets one on the left tip and the right tip of the blade. Also, be sure to put your strain relief towards the center of the blade. To start with, we're going to use the right mast. Then you're going to put the left mast on and tighten them up with bolts. Next, we're going to mount the radio. The first thing you do is remove the AC cover so you can get to the radio compartment right here. First, you're going to install the radio mount or the aqua mount. Please note these red bushings. These go in these holes right here to absorb the shock or the vibration of the dozer and to keep it away from the metal frame. So when mounting your CB450 or CB460, you've got to take a cover plate off the dash of the machine. Remove this cover plate and put it behind the seat or in a glove box. Once you've got your CB460 installed, press Menu, scroll down to Restore Settings, press OK. Scroll down to Machine Settings, press OK. Then choose the machine serial number labeled GPS for your machine and press OK. This restores all the machine settings for the current machine. Alright, once you're ready to do your uninstall, remove the CB450 or 460 by disconnecting the connector on the back of the dash. Undo the screws and remove the CB450 and visually inspect it for any type of damage and make note if any is found. Once you've removed your CB450, check to make sure that the display cable is not going to get damaged and have it tucked away for storage. Also, take your panels that belong in the dash that have been stored in the glove box or behind the seat and return them back to the center console. When you go to mount your radio, please be sure to disconnect the rubber whip antenna. That way when you mount the AC cover back, you don't break this rubber whip antenna off. Also in your kit, you're going to find 4 black spacers. They go behind the radio to separate it from the aqua mount. When you go to remove the radio, after you've removed the AC cover, the radio, and the aqua mount, be sure to protect the connector with a dust cap or electrical tape to prevent moisture damage. After you've uninstalled the radio, it's time to disconnect the coil cables on the front of the machine. Simply just give them a good tug, and then now at this time inspect them for any damage, nicks, cuts, or tears, or make sure that the connectors are not bent in any way. The last thing that you have to do is remove the mast. But before you remove them, you want to take a step back and look at the mast for any damage to make sure they're not bent or scraped up from trees or buckets of anything of that nature. Once you've inspected, just remove the mast. Inspect all the components one last time for any damage, make a note of it, and then return everything back to its case.